a really good restaurant. But we're here for the elevator. Why is there a crane with no crane? Look. It's just a tower with no crane. Oh, the elevator's right there. Actually, oh wait, it's actually a TK. I lied.
Yeah, yellow. It's definitely a TK.
Oh, we'll see it coming down. Smells like chicken.
No chimes. Incandescent. Maybe it was a Joker.
Maybe. I think it says TK on the inside though, but I'm not sure. Let Nathan get his cab view first.
Yes, I always get my cab view when I walk in. Definitely TK, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go down first. Take the boring route first.
We can see both.
Yeah, we'll do anything. I'm sorry. Indicator
Okay.
and nothing view at the same time. Okay, my imitation's really bad.
Hey Nathan,
Yeah, what's up?
are you smoking right now?
No.
Okay, good.
The sign says.
I got worried there for a second because it said no smoking.
All right, push 4. Let's go up. Get a picture. This traditional is like one of my favorites.
Ooh,
Slightly low on
a
oil.
little teeny bit. Oh, this elevator doesn't actually serve the top floor. Look, there's one more floor above.
There is, really?
Wait, looks like there's a couple more floors above here. What the? Oh no, that's just the roof.
Yeah.
Wow. Let's see if the chime here works.
It's going down without us.
Oh. Goodbye.
You went to 3.
Now it's just leveling.
I don't think there's anybody on it. I think it parks at 3.
Oh, here it
We'll
goes.
find out. Hopefully there's nobody on it. But yeah, I think it literally parks at 3.
It flashed twice but didn't chime.
Nice. Yeah, it must park at 3. Let's see where it goes if we just let it go.
Yeah.
I bet you it'll just go to 3.
Let's see. Yeah, no kidding.
Let's see where it stops. I think we're actually going to the ground. Maybe?
I guess so. Oh, now we're going to 2.
It must park at 2.
It went to 3 though.
Probably because we recalled it.
Oh, right. Now it keeps going down.
Yep. Well, hey, that one's pretty neat. Or this one, I mean, pretty neat.
Ooh, that didn't sound good.
Yeah. Well, at least the car is right there.
Cherry Creek has, why does Cherry Creek have so many parking garages? What the hell?
It's because it's all shopping.
Fair enough. All right.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Literally no bell at all this time. All right, that's it.